Okay, hello. Today we're going to be doing the 2003 AP Calculus A-B free response question form B with no calculator. So the question is, a particle move along the x-axis with velocity at time t greater than 0 given by vt equals -1 plus e to the power of 1 subtract t. Okay, so the first letter A tells us to find the acceleration of the particle at times t equals 3. So what you do here is you take the original equation from the problem and find the derivative of that. So you'll have a t v t equals. Alright, so that's the equation right there, the derivative. So now what you do is you substitute in t3. Now when you substitute it in, you would be getting, or another way to write it, you will have -1 over e to the power 2. Now for letter B, it says, is the speed of the particle increasing at t equals 3? Give a reason for your answer. I would say yes, because velocity and the slope are negative, which means the speed is increasing at t equals 3. So now you write that, neater, and yeah. Alright, for letter D, it says find the total distance traveled by particle over the time interval 0 less than t, t less than 3. So that's where I know to approach the 0 to 3. Therefore, I did the antiderivative, which from the original equation, this is the antiderivative. Now me substituting those 0, 1, 3, these are my answers. Therefore, I found, like when I evaluated, I got t equals 0, 1, and 3. Then you would want to evaluate the distance between those points. So then you subtract the first point, subtract the from the 0, and 1 to 3. So then this is what you'll get, and then you find your total distance from 0 to 3. So for C, it says find all the values of t at which the particle changed direction. So okay, so we know that the particle changed direction when the signs change direction. Therefore, you had to make the equation equal to 0, which I did here. So since I made it to equal 0, I isolated the 1, making it a positive. Doing that, so I get t equals 1. And I also know that if I plug in 1/2 to the equation, I would get that that the equation is greater than 0. Therefore, I have a positive here, and yeah, the negative